Today, I've got something really cool to share with you. We're about to explore the fascinating world of voice transformation, and the best part is, we won't be using any fancy, expensive software. Nope. I'm going to show you how to change your voice to sound like your favorite celebrities using a completely free AI tool. Just picture this for a moment. You'll have the ability to sing your favorite songs in the voice of your beloved artists, and you can even impress your friends with your rendition. How awesome is that? However, before we get started, I have a small legal note to share. I'd love to demonstrate how this tool can be used to create AI cover songs, but due to copyright concerns, I can't do that. So, instead, we'll take a different approach. First, I'll introduce you to an amazing AI song generator that allows you to craft entirely original AI-powered songs. You won't believe the incredible possibilities this tool offers. And the best part is, it won't cost you a dime. Once we've created a musical masterpiece, I'll guide you through the process of isolating vocals from the instrumental, using another free AI tool. When we have those crystal clear vocal tracks in our hands, it's time to fine-tune and adjust them to perfection. I'll share some helpful tips and tricks to ensure your AI-generated vocals sound their very best. So, without any more delays, let's dive right in and embark on this exciting AI adventure. And remember, if you enjoy what you're learning here, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to stay tuned for more fantastic AI content. Let's get started. Part 1 of our free AI song generator. To get started, access the SongR AI Song Generator tool. Here's how it works. To create your very own AI-generated song, all you need to do is input your prompt and then simply click the Generate button. If by any chance the lyrics don't quite match your expectations, don't fret. You have the flexibility to clear them and craft your own personalized lyrics. Alternatively, you can click the Try Again button to generate a completely fresh AI song lyric that suits your preferences. Once you've achieved the desired lyrics and are content with your creation, you can take it a step further. This is where it gets exciting. You can choose a voice actor who will bring your AI song to life. When you've made your choice, click on Render and watch as your AI song, along with its harmonious music, begins to take shape.
There once was a girl who was shy, but deep down she was full of life. She loved to sing and dance
But the journey doesn't end there. To keep the experience rolling, all you need to do is hit the download button. This will initiate the download of your AI song in your preferred format, be it video or audio, giving you the ultimate flexibility in how you want to enjoy your creation. Part 2. Using a free AI vocal remover. Let's make the most of the AI vocal remover tool to split our AI-created music from the AI-generated singing. You can locate the link to access this tool in the video description. Just click Choose File to upload your AI song and wait for the process to finish. Once it's done, download the separated singing and music files to your computer. Part 3. Trying out a free AI voice changer. In the next part, we'll use AI to transform our voice into that of a famous person or a customized voice artist. Click the Login button and proceed using your Google account. Part 4. The magic of Audacity, blending AI voices and music. Now it's time to bring together our new AI vocal with some AI-made music. To begin, you'll need to download and install Audacity, and you can find the download link in the video description. After that, it's as simple as dragging and dropping your AI music and your desired AI vocal into Audacity. As you embark on this creative journey, picture the beautiful blend of these artificial elements. Think of a girl from Maine who, in her dreams, found comfort and happiness in the sun's gentle rays and the soothing sound of raindrops.
There was a girl who was shy, but deep down she was full of life. She loved to sing and dance all around the house. But when it came time to perform in
Once you've artfully combined these elements in Audacity, you can proceed by going to the File menu and selecting Export. From there, choose Export as MP3 to save your masterpiece in a convenient MP3 format, ready to be shared and enjoyed.
There once was a girl who was shy, but deep down she was full of life. She loved to sing and dance all around the house. But when it came time to perform in front of an audience, she'd freeze. One day she decided to take a chance.
And with that, we conclude this tutorial on creating AI-powered cover songs. I hope you're as thrilled as I am about the incredible AI song generator we just explored. It's been an amazing journey, uncovering the potential of this AI song generator tool. But our adventure doesn't end here. It's just the beginning of the limitless creativity you can unlock. Now, let's make this interactive, shall we? I want to hear from you. In the comments section below, share your thoughts on what kind of songs you'd like to generate with this tool. Have any amazing ideas or experiences to share? We'd love to hear them. And remember, to stay updated with the latest and greatest in AI-powered creativity, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future explorations. And of course, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for joining us today. Your support is what keeps us going, and we can't wait to see the incredible songs you create with this tool. This has been the Digital Wealth Hive, and remember to be wealthy. Bye.